Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today I'm going to review Requil shampoo, conditioner and hair mask. And I'm going to talk about silicones in skincare as well. No, hair care. First we have Requil Pea Protein and Ceramide Hair Mask. It comes in a very simple tub packaging. Requil says this hair mask is for deep nourishment, silicone free and for all hair types, and this is very creamy hair mask. The smell is not overwhelming. Now the ingredients. It has water, then mehenchymonium methosulfate which conditions and moisturizes our hair. It doesn't build up. Then it has cetyl alcohol which is a fatty alcohol, and hydrolyzed pea protein which can repair the damaged hair and retain the moisture. A good ingredient. Then it has few more fatty acids, then fatty alcohols, glycol, and they have used few moisturizing ingredients, then ceramide, and they have used potassium sorbate and sodium benzoate as preservatives, and they have used fragrance as well, but this is a washer product, so I don't have that much of an issue with this fragrance in there. The ingredients of this mask are quite good, but I have to tell you one thing. I don't apply this hair mask on my hair roots because I'm really scared, because whenever I did that, it causes hair fall. I'm not saying this mask did it, but previously I've used this commercial hair mask on my hair roots and hair fall. So I didn't apply this on my hair roots. What I do, I massage. Okay, let me show you what I do. For my roots, I use hair oil. And I am using this Safa black seed oil that I always use. After that, I use this hair mask for all over my hair, and I keep this for like 30 minutes, and Requil says to keep this for 15 to 20 minutes, but yeah, I overdo it, but it works for my hair. It has a very smooth creamy texture, doesn't feel oily, greasy or sticky. After I'm done with applying this all over my hair, I make a bun, I wait for 30 minutes, then I wash it off with a shampoo and I follow up with a conditioner. Now the result. I really like this hair mask. It has done good to my hair. This hair mask makes my hair smooth and manageable. It didn't cause any hair fall, which I really appreciate. And yeah, I really like this because it doesn't make my hair sticky. It is very easy to wash off, and next time I'm thinking I will add few drops of squalane with it for the extra nourishment. I am happy with this hair mask and I'm gonna repurchase it. Though I'm gonna use this twice in a week as they have recommended, I'm gonna use I think once or twice in a month. Next I have their shampoo, hair fall control shampoo. See, I don't expect any shampoo to control my hair fall. I just want a shampoo not to increase my hair fall. And yes, I want a shampoo to clean my hair without drying it out. Like I have used ceramide shampoo, it dried my hair like anything. So Requil's hair mask and conditioner, these are silicone free, but this shampoo has water soluble silicone. What it is? I didn't know about this. I just knew silicone is silicone. What is water soluble, water insoluble silicone? For skin, I have no issues with silicone, but I heard silicones, they build up on our hair and they don't let moisture to seep in, which can lead to hair breakage. So I did avoid silicones. But while researching about this line, I came to know that there are like two kinds of silicones. This shampoo, they have used hydrolyzed wheat protein, which is also known as hydropropyl polysiloxane. So what is water soluble silicone? It can wash off with water. And what is water insoluble silicones? They cannot wash off with water. We have to use sulfates. Since it has water soluble silicone, I don't have any issue with it because I'm gonna wash it off, right? About water insoluble silicone, see, the people who don't use sulfates in their shampoo or they use powder shampoos, that might cause trouble if they don't wash their hair frequently. But for my hair, I avoid water insoluble silicones because I have seen results, like better results without these silicones. For hair health and hair growth, this is my anecdotal evidence, so I prefer not to use those water insoluble silicones, but I'm okay with water soluble silicones. And Dr. Dray, she had made a good video about this. I am going to leave the link down below. So now let's talk about this shampoo. They have used few gentle surfactants and they have used biotin, then niacinamide. They have used fragrance, but this is a wash off thing, so I don't have any issue there. This shampoo comes in this simple packaging, and the texture of this shampoo is not too runny, not too thick, and it creates a decent amount of foam. It did clean my hair and scalp quite well without drying them out. It didn't cause any extra hair fall. I wash my hair once or maximum twice in a week, and I can see myself using this. And I really enjoyed this shampoo, but one thing, if your shampoo is already working for you, if you don't have any issues with the ingredients and formulation, don't switch to any other shampoo, because I've seen whenever I switch to other shampoo, I get hair fall. But it didn't happen with this shampoo, but still, if your shampoo is working fine for you and you don't have any issues with the ingredients or anything, then don't switch. But if you want to upgrade your shampoo for ingredients, formulation, or your shampoo is not working for you, then you can consider this one a good shampoo. This is, and I like it. So next I have their conditioner, and this is a very simple conditioner, silicone free. They have used few fatty alcohols, then this murumuru seed butter, pea protein, then few oils, and they have used phenoxyethanol as the preservative. They have added fragrance but wash up product, so no issues there. It is their damage repair conditioner. They have another conditioner, I think anti-frizz conditioner. I'm gonna try that out next time. So after shampooing, I take decent amount of this conditioner and I apply this all over my hair. It sprays easily and it helps with the detangling, and my hair actually feels nice after using this conditioner. It doesn't feel heavy. It has brassicamidopropyl dimethylamine, which can help with conditioning. The scent is not too overwhelming. This is how my hair looks after this shampoo, hair mask and conditioner. I didn't use any leave-on conditioner, and yeah, I'm kinda happy with this entire range. This actually helped with detangling, made my hair smooth and manageable. I'm gonna continue using these products till I don't find something better, and I'll keep you updated. And I really hope Requil, they make fragrance-free creams, sunscreen. They make good sunscreen, but then they add fragrance. I don't want to try those things because those are leave-on products, and I really hope they make fragrance-free cream, toners, then sunscreen, because they're trying to use good ingredients, good formulation, and I'm kind of impressed with their ingredients list. But again, the fragrance part, I mean, for wash-up things, I'm okay with that, but for leave-on things, I'm not. So I'm gonna write to Requil. I insist you to write to them as well if you want fragrance-free line. And one more thing, I have ordered this Tribe Concepts shampoo hair mask, and hopefully I'll be able to review those products very soon as well. And I have ordered Tribe Concepts hair mask, shampoo, and one face mask. I'm not interested in their Kumkumadi oil, and they have one hair oil. I use Safa black seed hair oil, and I don't want to change it because I have seen when I change my hair oil, it causes hair fall. So I don't want to take any risk. So yeah, if you have tried any of these things, let me know what is your experience. And that's all for now. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.